Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Today's video top 5 BL actors who are gay in real life. Number 1. Full name Natouch Siripongthon. Nickname Fluke. Profession Fluke is a multi-talented entertainer who has made a name for himself primarily as an actor and singer. Date of birth Fluke was born on June 1st, 1996. Birthplace He was born in Thailand. Gay Fluke is openly gay, making him one of the few Thai actors in the mainstream who have publicly embraced their sexuality. His openness has made him a symbol of representation and courage in the LGBTQ plus community. Fans deeply appreciate his honesty. Rise to fame Fluke rose to fame with his breakout role in the 2014 Thai BL film My Broms, where he played Golf, a complex and emotional character involved in a same-sex relationship with his stepbrother. Relationship status Fluke was in a well-publicized relationship with fellow actor Kitiwhut, his co-star from Until We Met Again. While their chemistry was initially admired on screen, it extended to real life and was openly shared with his fans. Net worth As of 2025, Fluke's estimated net worth is around 1 million to 1.5 million US dollars. Number 2. Name Kitiwhut. Nickname His popular nickname is Newyear. Profession Newyear is a multi-talented entertainer best known as a YouTuber, actor, model, singer and online influencer. Date of birth Newyear was born on January 1st, 1996, which is fitting for his nickname. Birthplace Newyear was born in Thailand. Rise to fame Newyear rose to fame primarily through YouTube, where he started posting creative, funny and helpful content with his real-life partner, both Nattapong. Their channel attracted attention for its genuine content of same-sex relationships. Gay Yes, Newyear is openly gay and he is one of the most prominent LGBTQ public figures in Thailand. His openness about his sexuality and relationship with his boyfriend both has made him a beacon of representation in Southeast Asia. Relationship status Newyear is in a long-term committed relationship with both his partner in life and on screen. The couple has been together for several years and is widely admired for their strong bond and mutual support. Net worth As of 2025, Newyear's estimated net worth is between 1 million to 2 million US dollars. Number 3. Name Both Nattapong. Nickname Both. Profession Both is a multi-talented entertainer who works primarily as a YouTuber, actor, singer and digital influencer. Date of birth Both was born on October 7, 1994. Birthplace Both was born in Thailand. Rise to fame Both rose to fame alongside his partner Newyear through their joint YouTube channel, Both Newyear, where they showcased their romantic relationship and daily life. The couple's sweet chemistry, emotional honesty, and fun personality quickly captured public attention. Gay, yes, both is openly gay and he has never shied away from expressing his identity publicly. His relationship with New Year is a powerful example of LGBTQ visibility in Thai media. Through their content, both advocates for self love, respect, and acceptance. Relationship status both is in loving long-term relationship with fellow content creator and actor Newyear. The couple has been together for several years and shares a deep emotional and creative bond. Net worth as of 2025 both estimated net worth is between 1 million to 1.5 million US dollars. Number 4. Name Earth Katsamonnat. Nickname his widely recognized nickname is Earth. Profession Earth is a Thai actor, YouTuber, director, and LGBTQ advocate. Date of birth Earth was born on November 1st, 1996. Birthplace Earth was born in Thailand. Rise to fame Earth rose to fame initially through his YouTube channel where he produced skit, lifestyle vlogs, and LGBTQ plus. Gay yes, Earth is openly gay and proudly shares this aspect of his identity with fans and the public. He has become one of the few openly gay actors in the Thai entertainment industry, especially within the BL scene, which often features straight actors playing gay roles. Earth's transparency about his sexuality and advocacy for LGBTQ plus rights have earned him deep respect and admiration. Relationship status as of now, Earth appears to be a single, but he keeps his personal and romantic life relatively private. Net worth as of 2025, Earth's estimated net worth is between 1 million and 1.5 million US dollars. Number 5. Name Plustor Pronpiphat. Nickname Plustor. Profession Plustor is a Thai actor, model, and social media personality. Date of birth Plustor was born on January 9, 1996. Birthplace Plustor was born in Bangkok, Thailand. Rise to fame Plustor rose to fame primarily through his role in the 2017 Boys Love series My Dear Loser, Age of 17, where he played the character in his natural acting, good looks, and on-screen charm captured the hearts of many viewers. Gay Plustor has not publicly confirmed his sexual orientation and he maintains privacy when it comes to his personal identity in this regard. Relationship status as of now, Plustor appears to be single. Net worth as of 2025, Plustor's estimated net worth is between 1 million to 2 million US dollars. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe CK Gossip.